At this point, I'm just looking for new places to film these intros. But what's up, my friends? We're back at it again. Today, we're going to be unboxing, like you see in the title, the Necrom Combat Patrol. Hey, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you liked it more than that, also hit the like button. But let's hop into it and let's talk about the Necron Combat Patrol. Alright, my friends, so this is the unboxing of the Warhammer 40k Combat Patrol Necroms. These are all of the Necrom minis that you get. You get a really cool ship and some of these little speeder things. I don't know what you want to call them. They obviously have a name. But I'm excited. I'm excited to see, to play, to paint, all the good stuff, to build. So let's just go ahead and unbox this and take it out of the package. So the first thing, as usual and as always, people love for some reason just to show the manual. So I'm just gonna go ahead and speed through this. If you need a pause just to look at anything a little bit more in depth, go ahead and do so. And so we're just going to go through what's inside the box. So this is for the ship. This is also for the ship. These are some of the just the minis. I actually don't know the names of what minis come in here, but yeah, I mean, you know, it's pretty straightforward, right? This one I'll build for all of you, so I'm excited for that. The details in these are so nice, man. You got the bases, the big base, the small base, the clear things, the transparent sheets. I actually don't know what to use this for, but yeah, and then an empty box. Cool. So from there, I'm going to use the super glue that sucks. I don't know if it's just because it's old, but yeah, anyways, we're going to start putting I think it's the Overlord, the dude with the orb. All right, we'll start putting them together, and we're actually going to get rid of that and bring in some new super glue that I got from Ross. Not Ross, what the heck, Rite Aid, for like a couple dollars. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and put all these pieces together, and he looks pretty dope, man. Look at that. Super excited to paint, but that's the first mini. Let me show you the rest, you know, with a little bit of editing magic, and they're all done just like this. So side note, I did start painting for another video, but then I realized, wait a minute, stop painting, John. Let's show everybody what we got. So we have 5 of these dudes, forgot their names. We got 5 of the Death something, forgot their names. You know, I'm just getting into Warhammer, like, so bear with me, my friends. But these are the speed biker dudes. I like to call them speed biker dudes because I can't think of or remember their name right now as I'm recording this. But they look super dope. I did a different weapon and a different look for each of them. I just add a little bit of diversity, a little bit of just different, you know, look. Yeah, so one of my favorite things was this ship. The ship looks super dope in person. The details in it's so nice. I'm excited to start painting all of these, but yeah, you know, let me just show you everything now all together. You got the ship, you got the 3 speeder biker dudes, you know what I'm saying, hang in there, hang 10, and then you have, I believe, your 5, yeah, let me just put this to the side because, you know, I want to show you the side view of it. But then you have the 5, pretty much the 5 snipers, right? I mean, that's the best I could describe it. Death marks, I believe it is. And then you have the 5, it starts with an E, forgot the name. I did switch all those weapons. And then I believe the Overlord, the main honcho of the crew. But that's all of it. So if you want to see the painting, or not tutorial, but just the paints and all that stuff that I do for this squad, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, my friends. Alright, my friends, well, hey, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, you already know what I'm going to say. Eat some chicken wings. You didn't see that coming, did you? I know, super random. Now hit that subscribe button and maybe even the like button. Comment down below, what's another army you want to see being built? I've really just been building armies left and right. It's ridiculous. Or armies or just, you know, boxes. But I'm excited for the next army that I'm going to build because I've already started building it and it's super fun. If you're curious as to what that is, hit the subscribe button, you know, stay tuned. But my friends, be blessed, have a wonderful day or night, whatever it is. And until next time, cheers.